Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the gamepad controls in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing the settings button right here, or by pressing the menu key to go to settings and then going into settings itself. Of course, next go to controls and make sure you select Gamepad Controls. Here you can change the general and action settings. You can change the cursor, select cancel, the pause button is locked to the pause action, the menu button is locked to the pause action, left nav, right nav, nav up, nav down, nav forward, nav backward. In actions there is tactical view, examine, inventory, pipe shortcut, box shortcut, camera, zoom in, zoom out, flip furniture and skip cutscene. You can simply select any given key and then input a new key. Of course, I cannot do that because I am on mouse and keyboard. Once you are happy with your changes, hit back. Of course, if you wish to revert your changes, simply press Reset Defaults. Then back. If you are in the pause menu, press Resume. That's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.